Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enter BIOS on your DELL Inspiron 353 laptop. First, you're gonna have to open the Start menu, then go to Power Options and select Shutdown, and wait until your device is turned off. And after the turn off, we're gonna have to short press the power button to start our device. Let's wait for it to shut down completely. And right after short pressing the power button, we're gonna have to repeatedly press F2 key until laptop enters the BIOS menu. So let's short press power button and then just press F2 button until you see the BIOS menu on your screen. And that's it. Here we can navigate using our touchpad. So on the left side we have the sidebar where we can navigate between different menus. If you want to see all the menus at all, click View All in the top right corner of the screen. Now to save changes and exit, press but basically if you want to exit, just press Escape, and if you made some changes, you'll be able to choose whether you want to save them or not. And so yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.